question from Gujarat exam 2017, and it's a really tough question to solve. Without practice you are not able to solve this example, right? आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा क्या करना है. क्यों? देखो, sin x is equal to t, e raised to sin x. Suppose we assume sin x is equal to t, then we need cos x. So we have to take cos x common, but here is no cos x, here is cos x is there already, right? And आपके दिमाग में फॉर्मूला क्या आ गई? e raised to x f x plus f dash x, we have to adjust, right? So ये फॉर्मूला एडजस्ट करना है. तो I will be integration e raised to sin x. I want cos x common, so taking cos x common, so this is x minus, there is no cos, so dividing by cos x, right? And this is cos x dx. So I'm taking cos x common from first step. Now this is integration e raised to sin x, x minus sec is 1 upon cos, right? So sec is 1 upon cos x, tan is sin x upon cos x, and already cos is there, so 1 upon cos x. I am writing all steps, right? So cos x dx पता चला, समझ में आई ना बात? हाँ. Now this is integration e raised to sin x, x minus sin x whole upon, this is cos x raised to 3, right, into cos x dx. Now as we decided, जो हमने तय किया था sin x is equal to t लेने के लिए, right? So let sin x is equal to t. So derivative of this is cos x dx is dt. So this cos x dx is dt, right? Now this is the big problem. Now cos x raised to 3. Can I write it like this? Cos square x raised to 3 by 2. Instead of cos x, I am writing cos square x raised to 3 by 2 because this must be in sin. Now cos square is 1 minus sin square. So this is 1 minus sin square x raised to 3 by 2, right? And 1 minus sin square x, sin x is t. So this is 1 minus t square raised to 3 by 2. So this is 1 minus t square raised to 3 by 2 that we have to write. So I am writing here. So applying this, see this is Gujarat question, right? So e raised to sin x, now this is x as it is, minus sin x is sorry, we assume that for we have to substitute the value, right? Now because we simplify here, right, no need to write again. So I will be integration sin x is t, so this is e raised to t, right? Now sin x is equal to t, that means x is equal to sin inverse t, so we have to write sin inverse t here, right? Minus sin x is t, so this is t upon cos x whole cube is 1 minus t square whole raised to 3 by 2, and dx is dt. Cos x dx is dt, that you know, right? Any problem? Got it? Now क्या फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करने वाले? e raised to x fx. So sin inverse t, derivative of sin inverse t is 1 upon under root 1 minus t square, but there is no 1 minus t square only. This is t raised to 3 by 2, means we have to add and subtract, right? So if we add and subtract, then I will be integration e raised to t, right? Sin inverse t, derivative of this is 1 upon under root 1 minus t square. So we have to add this, means subtract 1 upon under root 1 minus t square, and remaining term will be minus t upon 1 minus t square raised to 3 by 2, right? Bracket over dt. This is our step. Got it? Now this is your fx, that is ft here. So derivative of this is your f dash t is this one. Now what about this? This is a derivative of this function that you have to check. So suppose we take this as a gt, right? So let gt is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus t square. right? So derivative of 1 upon bracket is minus 1 upon bracket square. So g dash t is minus 1 upon bracket square, that is 1 minus t square. 1 minus t square. Derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. So square of this, we remove this. Now bracket is root. Derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. So this is 1 upon 2 root x, and root bracket minus 2t. So again derivative minus 2t. This is the derivative. So these two will be cut. Minus minus become plus. So g dash t will be minus minus plus. This is t upon. This is 1 minus t square raised to power 1. And here is half. 1 plus half is 3 by 2. So this is 3 by 2. That means if we take this as a g dash gt, then this is the derivative. This is derivative, right? So what to do? These two are fx, that is gt, and this is your g dash t. So I will be integration e raised to t. I am writing a function only, sine inverse t minus 1 upon under root 1 minus t square. These both are function, and derivative of sine inverse is this, right? So plus 1 upon under root 1 minus t square, and this is minus, right? So what we have to write here? This is minus is here, and this is already this step is minus, na? Okay, so minus, right? So this is t upon under root 1 minus t square raised to 3 by 2, right? And bracket over, and dt I am writing here. So this derivative of this is what you get, plus, right? So what is your answer? This is fx, this is f dash x, this is fx, and this is f dash x, because derivative of this is plus, right? If we take plus, then plus. This is minus, so we get minus here, right? So answer will be e raised to t sine inverse t minus 1 upon under root 1 minus t square plus c. This is your fx, that is your f dash x. Got it? Any problem? समझ में आती है ना बात? ये क्या हो गया? fx, then this is f dash x now, right? Consider both together, not f and g. पता चला? तो now e raised to t. What is t? T is sin x. So e raised to sin x. Sine inverse t is x. So this is x minus under root 1 minus t square, that is 1 upon under root 1 minus t is sine. So 1 minus sine square x plus c. So which option is given? This or another? It is given in sine cos. Okay, so 1 minus sine square is cos square. Root cos square is cos. So 1 upon cos x. So this is e raised to sine x, x minus 1 upon cos x, and plus c, that is e raised to sine x, right? X minus sec x plus c. Now tell me, is this a easy question for you? No? So do practice for this, and I think proper answer will be x minus sec x, that is option A is your correct answer, right? So option A is your correct answer. Now similarly like this, another question of Gujarat 2017 is also a similar question, and you need some time to solve this, right? See, this is a question of 4 marks asked in Gujarat, right? Because in Gujarat आपको पता है 1 hour 60 minutes में 40 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है. सो आपको फॉर वन क्वेश्चन एटलीस्ट 1.56 मिनट्स मिलेगी. तो इसमें आपको ये सॉल्व करना है, तो आइडिया आना भी चाहिए, राइट? इसके लिए आफ्टर फिनिशिंग योर टेक्स्ट बुक कंप्लीटली परफेक्ट, डू प्रैक्टिस for more questions like this. Okay, so next question भी देखते हैं, मगर ये जगह चाहिए. So wait. So this is the question of 2017 Gujarat also, right? So it is given sin 11x into sin raised to 9x dx. We did this type of question, sin raised to 99 or 10 raised to 99 upon cos raised to sin raised to 99 upon cos raised to 101. But this is a different, both are sine. Right? If it is given in denominator, then you can adjust the formula for 10. Right? So I'm writing here integration sine. I'm splitting out this 10 plus 1 because this is x, so I need 1x. So 10x plus 1, right? 10x plus x, right? Sine raised to 9x dx. So splitting out 11x as a 10 plus 1 as we require x, right? Now applying sin a plus b formula. So sin a plus b formula is integration sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, sorry, it's sin x, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, sin raised to 9x dx, right? Now this is, see here, if we take sin raised to 9, then derivative of sin raised to 9 is cos x. So multiplying this, what we get? This is integration sin 10x, right, into sin raised to 9x into cos x dx plus integration cos 10x sin raised to 9x and sin x dx and sin x dx. Okay, so this is after multiplication we get. Now derivative of this is this. So if we take this as a u, then this is your v. So in applying integration by parts, right? Derivative of sin is cos. So fx into f plus x, fx raised to n formula. So you can easily integrate this function. So keeping 10x as it is, so sin 10x as it is, and integration of this is integration. I am writing step because आपको पता नहीं चलेगा क्या किया, right? Minus integration d dx of this. So d dx of sin 10x, not cos 10x, that is the answer. Sin 10x and integration this sin raised to 9x into cos x dx bracket over dx, right? This is mine. Now answer of this is cos 10x is here. Answer of this is sin raised to 10x is here. This is sin raised to 10x. So I am keeping this term as it is because this will be in cancellation, right? मुझे कैसे पता चला वो मैंने आपको बता दिया कि how we know that keep this term as it is, no need to integrate this function, and how we are going to integrate this function, that is also problem, right? तो इसका इंटीग्रेशन जो है वो ये आएगा, इसलिए हम छोड़ देते हैं. Now this is sin 10x. Answer of this is sin raised to, this is fx, this is f dash x, so 1 power more, sin raised to 10x upon 10, right? Sin raised to 10x upon 10 minus integration, derivative of this is cos 10x, right, into 10 into 10, got it, right? And integration of this is sin raised to 10x upon 10. Integration of this same is this. This is the answer, right? And dx and plus integration cos 10x into sin raised to 10x dx. Now this 10 will be cut. So now check this. This and this both are same. This is plus, this is minus. So this will be cut. So your answer will be, this is sin 10x into sin raised to 10x by 10 plus c. That is your answer, and which is given in option number A. So option number A is your correct answer, right? So जो आगे सॉल्व किया इससे थोड़ा इजी है, मगर ये आइडिया आपको आना चाहिए कि मुझे इसको स्प्लिट कैसे करना है। वो तो आपके पास बहुत ही सारे ऑप्शन है 11 को स्प्लिट करने के लिए, मगर x क्यों लिया, इधर x था तो मुझे एक x चाहिए, cos x चाहिए इसका डेरिवेटिव, तो इसके लिए मैंने पावर का जो 9 पावर है इसका कुछ एज्यूम करेंगे तो साइन का डेरिवेटिव cos आता है, इसलिए मुझे cos चाहिए, तो cos कैसे आएगी, तो 1 ही चाहिए, तो 10 + 1 कर दिया, राइट, गॉट इट। Now after finishing 2017, these all questions are from 2018 board exam, right? So we select 3 questions. So first question is e x raised to x 2 plus log x dx. देखा ऐसा लगता है ना, कहीं पे देखा है इसको। Yes, we did this question in 2016 exam, right, for 2 marks question, and now in 2018 they are asking in MCQ, right? So question number 52, this is your question number 52, right? So do it yourself, do it yourself. Now this is also nice question, right? आपको कुछ पता चलता है क्या करेंगे, कुछ नहीं ना, ओके, तो देखो क्या करना है। I is equal to integration only one step, मैं एक स्टेप लिखूंगा इसलिए आप सब बोलेंगे या मुझे पता चल गया। I am writing here only one step, e raised to x square minus e raised to minus x whole square dx. So factor of this is a square minus b square. So answer will be integration e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. This is e raised to x plus e raised to minus x and e raised to x minus e raised to minus x dx. These are the factors. So this is square. So integration e raised to x plus e raised to minus x whole square, and this is e raised to x minus e raised to minus x dx. This is fx, this is f plus x. So formula fx raised to n plus 1, 1 power more, that is 3. So answer will be e raised to x plus e raised to minus x, right, whole power 1 more divided by 3 plus c. That is a proper answer will be option number D, right? So option D is your proper answer. Now this is also nice question, right? So I is equal to, I'm writing 3 times integration x square tan inverse x dx plus integration x cube upon 1 plus x square dx, right? रिमेंबर वन थिंग, एक बात आपको याद रखनी है कि जब आप एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करते हैं, राइट, इस टाइम पे जब कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम है तो ये ऐसा जो एकाध कोई इंटीग्रल है ना, उसको पहले देख लो क्या होगा। सपोज वी टेक हियर u into v, right, that is tan inverse, that is u, this is v. So derivative of this is 1 upon 1 plus x square, and integration is this of this is x cubed by 3. So keep this integral as it is, only apply u into v rule to this. Got it? पता चला ना मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ वो, right? क्या आइडिया लिया है वो पता चलता है ना। So applying u into v rule, this is 3 as it is, right? Okay. Now u as it is, so tan inverse x as it is. Now integration of this is x cubed by 3 minus integration derivative of this is 1 upon 1 plus x square, and integration is x cubed by 3 dx, and plus this integral as it is, that is integral x cubed upon 1 plus x square dx, right? Now multiplying this, what we get? This 3 will be cut, so this is x cubed into tan inverse x minus this 3 will be cut, integration x cubed upon 1 plus x square dx plus integration x cubed upon 1 plus x square dx. So this is cut. What is your answer? X cubed into tan inverse x, that is option number Delhi, right? So x cubed into tan inverse x plus c, that is option Delhi, is your correct answer. Right? So next question is very easy question. So I'm writing here 71. You can do it yourself. Integration 5 minus x square dx. No need to say anything. Root a square minus x square formula. This is 5, right? So root a square minus x square formula. So a square minus x means sin inverse formula, right? So x by 2, answer will be x by 2 under root 5 minus x square. Now a is plus, so plus a square by 2, that is 5 by 2 sin inverse x upon root 5. That is your answer. हो गया, ये MCQ भी solved, right? Then next question is 71, then 72. Okay, that you can do also. Question number 72. Do it yourself also. Integration is given dx upon cos x plus sin twice x, right? And that is from 2018 exam, right? And this is very easy question. We did in previous video that in that video here is sine, so taking sine common, now here take cos common and divide and multiply by cos and assume for sine. You can do it yourself. So these both questions are do it yourself, this is also do it yourself. And I think 73 question number is also a very easy question, integration log x dx. Now for MCQ no need to say, answer of this is x log x minus x plus c, that is your option B. So do it yourself, right? So see, sometimes कितने easy question आते हैं और sometimes very tough question होते हैं, right? Now I think 74 is also easy question, so I am taking 74. Integration is given 16 minus x square, so 16 minus x square dx. So 16 minus x square dx, same formula you have to apply, so you are able to do that sum also, right? So do practice at home. आपको घर पे practice करना है तो ये सब कीजिए, okay? अब next time मिलेंगे.